Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. I am Farjan Akhtar Mumun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take English language class of class 2, and today our topic is present continuous tense. Our lecture number is 22. So let's start. At first you will have to understand what is simple tense. Simple tense means what we do regularly, this kind of tense. And then what is present continuous tense? Present continuous tense means what we are doing right now. What we are doing right now. For example, I can tell I am teaching of the student of class 2. I am teaching the student of class 2. That means right now I am teaching you. So I can tell this is present continuous tense. Like you can say I am walking, I am reading, I am sleeping. So all kind of sentences will be in simple continuous tense. Now you can see in simple continuous tense you can say ing with the main action verb ing, because in simple continuous tense, present continuous tense, you will have to add ing with the main action verb, and before this action word you will have to add auxiliary or to be verb according to the subject. That means if you get I, then you will have to add auxiliary verb am. Then if you want to say I am playing, then it will be main verb is play, then you will have to add ing and it will be, the sentence will be I am playing. Now at first you will see some words main action verb with ing, like rain, raining, eat, eating, walk, walking, clean, cleaning, wet, waiting, put, putting. You can see in this word you will have to add double T and then ing. That means this is exceptional from our previous word. Sometimes when you will have to change continuous form, then you will have to add double letter. Okay, then swimming, like putting, swimming, you can see double ing, swimming. Sit, sitting, here again you can see double T. Stop, stopping. Run, running. Live, living. In this word you can see our last letter E disappeared, and in the place of E you have added ing. That means live, living. Shine, shining, like living it will be same. Shine, shining. Write, writing. Dance, dancing. All these words are same kind of, like last letter E will disappear and then we'll add ing, and you can see from this all these letters are the same kind. At the same kind you will have to add double letter when you will make present continuous tense, continuous form. So I hope you have understood how you have to change the continuous main action verb according to the continuous form. Then our exercise number 2 will do this. The girl is a singular person. So here from the rules we know we will have to add auxiliary verb. The girl is, then main action verb drink will be drinking, because it's present continuous tense. Our main action verb like rain, raining, it's drink, it will be drinking, ing, with ing. That means the girl is drinking coconut water, she is doing it right now. Then number B, the man, again you can see the subject is singular, so we will have to add, because it's present tense, that's why we are adding is. Singular is, then sit will be sitting, you know, sit will be sitting with double letter. Sitting on the sand. He is, again singular, third person singular number, then we'll add is, and read will be reading with ing. The man is sitting on the sand. He is reading a book. That means it's present continuous tense. The man is doing it right now. See, the children are building. The children are swimming. The children are swimming. You can see the children plural form, then it will be are, and swimming will be swimming, double M ing. You can see swim will be swimming with double letter, swimming in the sea. The girls are. The girls, you can see it's plural. It's plural, that's why we are using are as to be verb, and build will be building with ing, building a sand castle. Then number E, the family, it's singular, only we are talking about only one family. Is, the family is, then it will be eating, eating, eating bhelpuri. The family is eating bhelpuri. Then you can see last one, the dog. Here you can see the single one subject, the dog, only one dog is running, R-U-double-N ing. You can see again run will be running after the ball. So I hope you have understood how you have to change main action verb into present continuous form with subject, according to the subject, with auxiliary verb and with ing. At first you will have to see the tense, is it present tense or past tense, then you will have to see the subject. According to subject you will have to add the auxiliary or to be verb, then you will have to add main verb with ing, and you will have to memorize or remember the which words will be added with double letter, like sitting, swimming, running. So this is all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topics. Keep practicing at home. Allah Hafiz.